Unlike standard courses, compliance requirements are recurring trainings for certifications or annual refreshers. To access your tracker, navigate to Learning and select Compliance in the Admin Portal sidebar. The main dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of all active requirements, showing the mapped course, target group, and validity period at a glance. To enforce a new mandatory training, click the blue New Requirement button. Select a category type, give it a name and description, and set your timeframe rules, such as a 365-day validity period with a 30-day warning window. Then, map the specific course that fulfills this requirement. Select your target group and click Create Requirement. Clicking on any requirement card opens its detailed management view. The default Overview tab provides real-time metrics on your organization's adherence, featuring top metric cards, a compliance status donut chart, and a monthly completions graph to help you quickly identify bottlenecks. The Report tab is your operational command center. Here you can dig into individual learner records and use the sub-tabs along the top to filter specific cohorts. You can track users who are compliant, expiring soon, expired, in progress, or those who have not started. On the Not Started tab, you can manually intervene. Simply click the blue Remediate All button and confirm to mass enroll every non-compliant user on this list instantly. If you need to send a compliance report to external auditors or executives, click the Export CSV button in the top right to download the current view as a spreadsheet. Finally, if you ever need to adjust the rules of a requirement, navigate to the Settings tab. Here you can modify compliance details like name, description, type, validity timeframe, warning time, and swap the mapped course or update the target group. Click Save Changes to apply your updates globally before returning to the main dashboard.